To Clarido number 24. Harassed by Iliana. Double team. Save. Iliana. Layup. Butters. Pulido number 27. Long and post they made. To Muralla. Save. Clarito. Muralla. Third shot. No good. Follow up by Iliana. Take. De Guzman. Muralla. Iliana. Butters a whistle. Traveling violation. Number 24 to number 1. Zigzagging. Barbo. One. Good. Number 13 to Tantoco, number 41, step back. Back to Fisha. To number 24. Malilay, number 12. Malilay to Iliana. Cross the lane. Iliana to Malilay. Step back. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Clarito. To number 41, Tantoco. No good. Tantoco. Put back. Butter service. 41 Tantoco. Ini now. Second free throw by number 41 Tantoco. Second free throw by number 41. Tawu, Fisha, Tawa, Tantoco, follow up. Good protocol by Tantoco, number 41. Iliana, number 0. Harassed by Secreto. Muralla. To Pulido, number 27. Steal. Number 1, Pardo. Secreto. Muralla to Iliana, number 7. Good one. Iliana now pressing to the midcourt. Butler Solution. Number 13 to number 1. And Abot, Parbo number 1. String by Tantoco. Sertenia, 4-3. Strong. Iliana in the rebound. Harassed by Clarito. Pulido, number 27. Steal. Right to 3. Clarito. No good. Rebound by Tantoco number 21. Step back. 4-2. Basket. Good protocol by Tantoco number 41. Exactly 6 minutes. Iliana. To Malilay number 12. Malilay. Butler sa whistle. Muralla. Feed away. Iliana. Basket. Good protocol by Iliana number 0. Number 13, Serkenya, Parbo. To Clarido, number 24. To number 13, ready to play, gets set to go. Fisha, no good, rebound by Iliana. Pass take, Malilay, number 12. Malilay, layup, basket. Good protocol by Malilay, number 12.
Takbong mayaman ah.
Wala ng white. Parbo, number 1. Jesus, cross the legs. Harassed by number 12, number 13. Fisha, palm, and up. Good for 2 points. Parbo, number 1. Exactly 5 minutes. Iliana, number 0. Cross the lane. Screen by Pulido, number 27. Iliana, Pulido, number 27. Goes inside. Substitution. Secreto out. Will be replaced jersey number 3, Serkenya. Pulido number 27 to Iliana. Under the basket. Get inside. Number De Guzman. Kick out. Muralla. Number 0. Butler sa whistle. 3 seconds violation. Substitution. Clarito. Lifting the ball by Clarito number Butler sa whistle. Foul. All by jersey number Well, Parbo number 1, get the ball by Christian number 13, number 41. Still, Moraya, backward service, traveling violation. To Clarito, pass for 3. They're in and out. Good rebound. Iliana, still by Cerqueña number 3, backward service. All by jersey number 0. Arco number 1, long pass to number 3. For Kenya, same ball, 10-11 second shot na. 11 seconds to shoot. Number 3, Sir Kenya. Tantoka number 41. 10 seconds to shoot. Parbo number 1. Spin move, Parbo. No good. Sir Kenya. Shot na. Basket. Good by Sir Kenya. Good. Sir Kenya. 1 minute and 2 remaining time. Manila ito Iliana. 3 minutes and 55. Iliana number 0. Manila floater for 3. Short. Pass fake. Cerqueña. Clarito. Layup. No good. Rebound by Muralla. Save. Steal. Tantoco. Number 41. Layup. No good. Rebound battle. Save. Bubble solution. Substitution, Clarito. Iliana number 0 crossing to the midcourt. Iliana now dribbling the ball. Still by Parbo number 1. Parbo. Utantoka number 41. Jump shot, center lane, in and out. Iliana the rebound. Running on the floor. Crossing to the midcourt, zigzagging. Iliana, play for team. Che, backstop pass, still. Number 1, Parbo. Guzman, basket. Number 7 to number 5. Exactly 3 minutes. Backward violation, substitution. Iliana out. Parbo out. Borja number 4. So number 41, Tantoco. To Borja number 4, trouble the ball, won by Borja. Pick out the ball, pass for 3, Cerqueña, no good. Put back, number 4, no good. Lorenzo in the rebound. Still by number 7, Manayan. Mantili. Bottle sa whistle. Mantili number 11. To Muralla. Third shot up the glass. Good for the boys by Muralla number 0. Wala ng white. Guzman. Antonio, number 41, pass for 3, short. Rebound by Muralla, scramble the ball. Muralla in the rebound. To number 7, Manayan. Screen by Pulido. Manayan, number 7. Drive. No good. Rebound by Mantile. Mantile, basket. Good for the pass by Mantile, number 11. Exactly 2 minutes. Number 0. Test pass. Number 3. Butler submission. Number 4. Borja to number troubling violation. Note on the referee.
Sayang.
1 minute and 49. Number 7 getting the ball by Manayan number 7. Manayan harassed by Cerqueña. Manayan. Baseline draw. Public violation. 1 minute and 39. Number 4 from Guzman. 1 minute and 35. Butler Surisal, double dribble by Guzman. Number 7 get the ball by jersey number 7 to Mantili, number 11. Butler Surisal traveling violation. Borja number 4 to number 13. Fisher. Cross the lane by Fisher, screen by Guzman. Long pass to Lorenzo. Turnover, Valia to number 7. Manayan number 7, dribbling the ball. Steal. Cerqueña. 8, Cerqueña. Lorenzo. Number 11. 3 seconds violation. 1 minute and 2. 1 minute. $55. Layup. Good ball to boys by Manayan number 7. 50. 45. Good ball to boys by number 13. Risha. 35. Steal by Cerqueña. Pass fake. 40. 25.
Hintay.
20. 19 seconds.